are changing the low beam headlight for a 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan. And basically there's two different parts here. You are gonna take the bulb, pull the plastic off first. It's gonna be rubber, it's gonna look like that. And you're gonna turn that counterclockwise. Sorry about all the movement. And here's your bulb. You are gonna wiggle out the bulb just like that. And there you go. Then you are gonna get your new bulb and you are just gonna insert it like that. Oops. Okay, I'll push that in more. Just to make sure that goes there. And this goes just like that. Do both sides. Before you put everything back together though, you definitely are going to want to try the bulb and make sure it does work, so you're not doing double work. Okay, so just give me a minute, let me check that. Start up the car. All right, and bada boom, bada bing, we have lights, so it's working. All right, and you're gonna put this back in the housing. And there you have it. Took me long enough, but it's on.